Hi class. Today we are going to go through a few examples from section 2.8. These are the linear inequalities. So I put one example up here on the board. We have to tell whether the given ordered pairs are solutions of the inequality. You're going to have to do some of this in your homework. So all that we have to do, we have y is less than 3x minus 1, and we're going to look at just one ordered pair at a time. So first I'm going to look at the ordered pair 4, -1, and we have an x value and we have a y value. So we're just going to plug in the x and the y into our inequality to see if we have a true statement in the end. So we have -1 is less than 3 times our x, which is 4, minus 1. So we just simplify. -1 is less than 3 times 4 is 12. So -1 is less than 12 minus 1 is 11. So we want to know, is this a true statement? Is -1 less than 11? Well, since -1 is less than 11, then I would say that one is a solution. That's supposed to be a star, but you can't tell. There is a star. Okay. So now we're going to do the same thing with our other point over here. We're going to plug in our x and our y value. Here's our x and our y into the inequality. So we have 2 is less than 3 times a -2 minus 1. 2 is less than 3 times a -2 is -6 minus 1. 2 is less than a -6 minus 1 is -7. Is this a true statement? Is 2 less than a -7? So hopefully you guys are shaking your heads because 2 is not less than a -7. So this point is not a solution. So for these problems, all that you're going to do is plug in the x and the y. Simplify the left side, simplify the right side. You don't need to be moving things around to both sides. And just see if you have a true statement. So there is your first example for your notes. So hopefully you guys all wrote that down.